Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're taking a look at two versions of handheld rubber cutters that we're offering. One is a sliding system, the other is more of a chopping system. So the sliding system can easily be put into a pocket carefree. There's zero sharp edges exposed. This can't pull apart. So it's a nice compact unit that pretty versatile. The second system is more of a chopping system. This does open up wider at this point. So when it's open, it does expose a slight cutting surface there. When it's closed, it can be put into a pocket with the care that it doesn't open, obviously, but always with this version, you're going to have that risk of possibly a cutting hazard or a risk there. So how both work: if we take a rubber, both of these, you can slide the rubber partway through, maybe just to clean the edge off, or you can run it all the way through. You can see it from the inner side, or you can gauge it from the edge here. Once it's to the position you want, you depress it, and you're gonna get your rubber cut. The second version, open it up. Again, you adjust the depth of which you want your cut. Most often we're cutting like maybe the ends are a little bit off the worn edge maybe, and when you squeeze that together, you got to cut rubber. So both versions cut either T-rubber or they cut the round rubber, and you can, so any size rubber works, both versions, preference of which type. We're going to sell these only through messaging me through windowcleaningwarriors.com to find out details and where you can get these, and they'll be launched in about a month. Email me through the Window Warriors Forum and to get more information. Thanks for watching. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.